Hi friends. So in this video we're going to see how to convert the number value to date format. So in this example we have invoice date which is in the number value. So we're going to see how to convert this in a date format. For that we're going to extract first year, month and then day, and then we combine these three value into the date format. So let's see how to convert this. So for that, first we need to extract the date from the number value. So for that, I'm going to use the left function. Okay, now select the number value. So we need four character starting from left side. So for that, I'm entering you number character 4. Close the bracket and enter. So now we get the year, and now we're going to extract the month which is there in the middle of the number value. For that, I'm going to use the mid function. Select the number value, and now the date function is starting from fifth character. So I'm going to enter 5, and I need fifth and sixth character. So I need two character starting from fifth. So I'm going to enter 2. Now close this bracket. Now enter. So now we got the month. Now we need to extract day, which is last two digit from the date value. So I'm going to use the right function to get the day. So comma, enter 2, which is the last two character. So close the bracket, enter. So now we have year, month and date separately. So just copy this and apply it to the rest of the cells. Okay. So now how to combine this? So for that we have the one function called date. So which is very simple. Close. Okay. Now open the bracket. Now select the year and then month and then day. Now close the bracket. Just copy and paste it to the rest of the cells. So this is how we need to convert the date which is in the number value format. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.